So when it comes to autofill, you have some options. So to access the autofill options, you can go on to the three dot icon right here and then go to settings. So once you do that, you can go to autofill, and here you can see that you can manage your password, which is a part of autofill. So you can go around, and if there's any saved password, you can manage it from here. You can go back and set up a payment method if you want to add in as well. So you can go around over here, add in, let's say, for example, your credit card number, the expiration date, the name on the card, and even give the card nickname. And then what happens is that the payment details are added in over here, so that whenever you're about to purchase something, you can simply choose that out from the autofill as well. So if you were to go around over here on to address and more, you can add in some details manually. For example, you want to go around, choose the country that you want to add in. You can go around, you can add in the organization. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say TutorTube right here. And you can add in the name right here, like Robert Bear, just like this. You can add in street address, postal code right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around, throw in some random numbers. And maybe I want to go around and add in city right here as well. Maybe some phone number, maybe some email address right here as well. And click on save. So once you do that, what happens is that this information has been saved. And whenever there's an autofill, there's a form that appears, you can choose these details over there, and it'll give it to you as an autofill option. So that is how you can utilize the autofill option to manage out the information according to how you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.